Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we stop auto screen setting in our realme phone. Guys you have guys your auto screen setting, as you can see your phone is like that because your screen is rotated, and guys you want to stop this setting in your realme phone. So then how can you stop guys your auto screen setting in your realme phone? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys you will have to come in guys your phone setting to stop your auto screen setting. Then guys scroll it. Hence you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Then tap here. Then guys you can see your auto screen is auto rotate. So right side guys you can see this icon. So you can see this icon is, so tap here. Then guys your auto screen will off, means your auto rotate screen guys will off. And guys if you use any YouTube app, any example for, so you can try guys, you can, your screen will not rotate automatic. So like that guys you can stop your auto rotate screen in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.